Everyone says the same thing. Renting is throwing your money away. He's heard it 100 times, and somehow it always sticks. So every month rent is due, and every month guilt creeps in. He feels like he's falling behind, like he's paying for nothing. He checks the numbers again. Rent feels like money disappearing. Nothing to show for it, he thinks, just gone into thin air. So the goal becomes clear. Buy a house, any house. That's what winning looks like. That's what everyone expects. He stretches his budget thin, signs the mortgage papers anyway. His hands shake just a little, but he tells himself it's worth it. Keys in hand, a new home. Finally, he's a homeowner. Finally, he's made it, he thinks. This is what success feels like. Then the bills start arriving, ones nobody warned him about. Repairs, taxes, insurance, the list just keeps growing. Repairs pile up fast. Property tax hits harder than expected. Maintenance never seems to stop. The costs just keep coming. Wait a second, he thinks. Wasn't buying the smart move? Wasn't this supposed to be easier? Something doesn't add up. Turns out the math is tricky. Nobody really explained it clearly. Owning isn't as simple as it looks. There's more to the story. A mortgage isn't just one payment. It's interest, tax, and insurance, all bundled together quietly, more than he ever realized. In the early years especially, most of the payment goes to interest, not to actual ownership. It just chips away slowly. Something breaks at midnight. There's no landlord to call now. It's his problem to fix. His money, his responsibility. Houses don't always rise in value. Location matters more than people admit. Timing plays a role too. Nothing is guaranteed. Selling isn't quick either. He's tied down until it sells. No easy way out. Just waiting and wait. So maybe renting wasn't wasteful. Maybe it...
And the money saved on repairs and down payments? It can go elsewhere. Over time, that invested money can grow. Just as much as home equity, sometimes more. Some renters invest that difference and let it grow in the market instead.